Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Bitcoin news and price predictions. PayPal launches crypto services in Luxembourg for EU push. PayPal expands cryptocurrency services in Luxembourg, which paves way for pushing crypto services in the European Union after MiCA law. Financial services giant PayPal plans to launch cryptocurrency services in Luxembourg, which seems to be a push to expand crypto services in the European Union. PayPal will allow customers in Luxembourg to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. PayPal launches crypto services in Luxembourg. In a press release on December 7, PayPal announced launching crypto services in Luxembourg in the next few days. Customers in Luxembourg can now explore the crypto market in a safer and trusted platform. Adding Luxembourg is an important step in PayPal's mission to make digital currencies more accessible, said José Fernández da Ponte, SVP and GM, Blockchain, Crypto and Digital Currencies at PayPal. The company commits to working closely with regulators and policymakers in Luxembourg to shape the role of digital currencies in global finance and commerce. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. The company will also enable educational content and FAQs for customers to better understand the opportunities and risks associated with cryptocurrencies. PayPal will allow eligible customers to buy, sell and hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash for as little as €1 through the website or the mobile app using their PayPal balance, linked bank accounts, or EU-issued debit cards. Rescue for the market. Binance Bitcoin reserves are over-collateralized, report. Mazars reports on Binance Bitcoin reserves and declared over-collateralization. Binance's audits are false, unofficial, and more worthless than Tether's report says, Francine McKenna. According to Mazars, an international audit, tax, and advisory firm, collateralization analysis shows that Binance Bitcoin reserves are over-collateralized. The report was announced after Mazars conducted a proof of reserves and proof of liabilities verification on the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. The snapshot of the total reserves and liabilities was taken on the 22nd of November 2022 at 23 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds Coordinated Universal Time. In a post-assessment statement, Mazars declared, at the time of assessment, Mazars observed Binance controlled in-scope assets in excess of 100% of their total platform liabilities. Mazars calculated and verified Binance assets through a Merkle proof. After carrying out the assessment, Mazars discovered that Binance had a collateralization ratio of 101% in its Bitcoin reserves. However, Mazars' report clarified that Customize Bitcoin is collateralized on the Binance blockchain and the cryptocurrency exchange currently controls it. The assessment included all the margins and loans of the in-scope assets spent as out-of-scope assets. Binance's assessment was triggered by the collapse of FTX, one of Binance's top competitors, due to liquidity crises. Last month, the cryptocurrency exchange announced the launch of its Proof of Reserves system in order to provide more transparency of users' funds. In the same announcement, Binance mentioned that the Proof of Reserves system would begin with BTC and add other cryptocurrencies later. Post-analysis drama. Mazars' report on Binance Bitcoin reserves not true. Francine McKenna, a lecturer in financial accounting at the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, has declared that Mazars' assessment is not an official audit. She said, they did a comparison of balances per public key address from a list they got from management. They did not compare any balances in independent banks or custodians or depositories. This is more worthless than even the Tether or USDC report. In September, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission accused Friedman LLP of serial violations of the federal securities laws and improper professional conduct. According to the SEC investigation, the New York-based accounting firm carried out audits on two publicly traded companies, iFresh, a Chinese grocery store, and another undisclosed company. The auditors were charged a fine of $1 million. Friedman LLP was the auditor of Tether from May 2017 to January 2018. In August, Tether replaced Friedman LLP with BDO Italia. The collateralization analysis performed by Mazars covered Binance's total reserves and liabilities. These customers' assets specifically included customers' spots, options, margins, futures, funding, loan, and earn accounts. The cumulative amount for wrapped Bitcoin and Bitcoin on Binance reserves was 575,742.4228. Customers held their assets on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB chain, and Binance Smart Chain blockchains. So, is the bear market in crypto finally over? The bear market was predicted to end by 2022, as we enter the new year. However, it is still very prominent in the crypto market. The dust from FTX debacle has settled, but the market is yet far from entering the bullish momentum. A bear market occurs when the market experiences a long-term decline in prices. It typically describes a situation where security prices fall 20% or more from recent highs amid widespread pessimism and negative investor sentiment. Bear markets are often associated with declines in the overall market or an index such as the S&P 500, but individual securities or commodities can also be considered a bear market if they experience declines of 20% or more over a long period of time, usually 2 months or more. This market can also accompany a general economic downturn, such as a recession. It can be contrasted with rising bull markets. Stay away from everything but Bitcoin and Ether, the wolf of Wall Street. BTC and ETH are the only crypto assets investors should deal with right now, Belfort said. Jordan Belfort, the infamous stockbroker whose story inspired Martin Scorsese's film, The Wolf of Wall Street, thinks the only two cryptocurrencies investors should deal with at the moment are Bitcoin and Ether. He cautioned people should invest only a small amount of their total portfolio in crypto due to the volatility and risks in the field. Don't disregard Bitcoin. Belfort uploaded a video called My Current Crypto Update to give his 2 cents on hot topics, such as the FTX fiasco and whether now is the right moment to jump on the ecosystem. He claimed the exchange was a scam and nothing could have protected users against the catastrophe. Despite FTX's meltdown, the Wolf of Wall Street does not think people should disregard Bitcoin and Ether. According to him, the 2 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are the only ones investors should deal with during the ongoing bear market. Outside of those 2 coins, I literally would not be touching crypto right now with a 10-foot pole, he stated. Going back to Bitcoin, Belfort said he hasn't sold any of his holdings and has even purchased more. He thinks that such investment could turn profitable in the next 5 to 10 years. I haven't sold even one, and I'm buying more. That's not to say that I don't think it's going low, because I do think it's probably going to go a bit lower in the short term. But I believe in the long term that if you hold these coins 5 or 10 years, I believe those 2 have an excellent shot of being substantially higher than what they are today. He recommended investors allocate a very small proportion of their entire portfolio when buying BTC and ETH. The best investment tools are the S&P 500, or ETFs, he concluded. Belfort's U-turn. The Wolf of Wall Street was not a big fan of Bitcoin a few years ago, claiming in 2018 that it is based on the Great Fool's Theory and is going away. Thanks for watching. See you next video.